I tried to be a hero when no one was around. I put aside